Choosing the right windows can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable and functional a home feels. Homeowners want windows that provide fresh air, protect against the elements, and work well with their home's layout. Awning windows check all of these boxes. For homeowners in Rowlett, awning windows are a smart choice because they offer reliable ventilation, weather protection, and versatile placement options that support everyday living. Designed to perform well in changing weather, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design creates a protective canopy effect when the window is open, helping shield the interior from rain. In Rowlett homes, this means fresh air can circulate even during light rain without worrying about water entering the home. This feature is especially helpful when weather conditions change quickly. Consistent ventilation without compromising comfort. Good airflow is essential for maintaining indoor comfort. Awning windows allow homeowners to enjoy ventilation while keeping interior spaces protected. For Rowlett homeowners, this design helps release stale air and bring in fresh air without letting heat or moisture disrupt indoor comfort. Ideal for rooms that need extra airflow, awning windows are commonly installed in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements, areas that benefit from consistent ventilation. Their outward opening design makes them easy to place higher on walls or in areas where privacy is important. In Rowlett homes, awning windows support healthier air circulation in spaces that need it most. Space-saving design for flexible placement. Because awning windows open outward, they don't take up interior space. This makes them a practical option for rooms with limited wall space or areas near furniture and counters. Rowlett homeowners appreciate the flexibility awning windows provide when designing or updating interior layouts. Enhanced energy efficiency. When closed, awning windows press tightly against the frame, creating a strong seal that reduces drafts and air leakage. This helps maintain stable indoor temperatures. For Rowlett homes, this tight seal supports energy efficiency and keeps heating and cooling systems running more effectively. Improved security and peace of mind. Awning windows offer secure ventilation. Their outward opening design makes them harder to access from the outside when partially open, providing airflow without sacrificing safety. For Rowlett families, this added security allows windows to remain open more comfortably during daily activities. Clean lines that complement many home styles. Awning windows feature a simple, modern appearance that works well with both traditional and contemporary homes. In Rowlett neighborhoods, this versatility allows homeowners to improve function without compromising curb appeal. Reduced maintenance and long-term reliability. Modern awning windows are built with durable materials and smooth hardware designed for long-term use. Their simple operation helps reduce wear over time. For Rowlett homeowners, this means fewer maintenance concerns and consistent performance. Professional installation ensures optimal performance. To get the most out of awning windows, proper installation is essential. Professional installers ensure correct alignment and sealing. In Rowlett homes, expert installation helps awning windows perform efficiently and reliably for years. A practical window upgrade. For Rowlett homes, awning windows offer a smart combination of ventilation, weather protection, energy efficiency, and flexible placement. Their thoughtful design supports everyday comfort while enhancing the home's overall performance. For homeowners in Rowlett, awning windows are a practical upgrade that delivers lasting comfort and peace of mind.